Hi besties, if you didn't already know, I cannot keep my room clean. Like a few weeks ago I posted me cleaning my room, and then like a month before that I posted clean with me. I just can never keep my room clean, it's so bad. But today I am determined to do the deepest clean of my life. I mean cleaning up the clothes, cleaning up my desk, cleaning the windows, wiping the glass, dusting everything. And trust me, the fan has not been dusted in so long, and like I'm low-key I'm kind of embarrassed showing you what I'm about to show you, but you know what, I'm gonna show you. So if your room looks worse than mine, or you think it's messy but it looks less worse than mine, it makes you feel better, and hopefully this motivates you all to clean your rooms, because clean environment, happy person. Okay, my bed looks really good right now, but that's only because I just filmed another video. Go check it out. I'm trying to be that girl for a day. Oh, also, ignore the fit. Footy's on. Alrighty, so the first area I'm going to be tackling is this clothes pile I have on the floor. I do need to get rid of it, but it's a pretty big process, because the reason they ended up on the floor is because my drawers are full. It means I have to go through like my clothes again, and I only did that in May of this year. Hence I also have bags just sitting here full of clothes. If you want to have a look at any of my clothes, I am selling them all on Depop. Go check my Depop out, it's in the description. Okay, I have no plans on what to do. Oh god. Alrighty, clothes are fully sorted, they were on my floor, and now I have to go through all my drawers. The only drawer I know I don't have to go through is my underwear drawer and what I call my fancy shirt drawer. It's just like my nicer shirts, not my comp shirts and stuff. But I may need to end up moving drawers around because I have too much activewear now to fit in my tiny little drawer I have. So we gotta figure that out. Alrighty, update on the whole clothes thing. I feel like it's gonna be a pretty long video, and I apologize already for that, but I've done the top 3 drawers on that side. I haven't filled the 3rd drawer. The top drawer is my swimmers. I didn't actually have to go through that, but I'm just rearranging at the moment so that so I've got to move my summer tops, my nut pretty tops or whatever. I just have to move them up to the 3rd drawer. Then I can put my denim shorts into the bottom drawer, and I'm just going to do a ton of clothes stuff off camera because I feel like I've already filmed so much, and I really want to film doing like the rest of my bedroom as well, and it is not be like an hour-long video. Alrighty, day 2 of cleaning. So the only progress really made was the clothes. On this side of the floor, all that's left is my jumpers, and that's just because I need coat hangers to hang them up. And then I've got these clothes that don't fit me, but we got a groceries delivery, so we have bags. So I'm gonna put all those into a bag, and I'm gonna take my rubbish out right now before Riley gets here. So yeah, and that's all I'm doing today, is just taking out my rubbish because Riley's coming. Yeah. It's day 3 of doing my room, and my room is like literally such a mess because we stripped down my bed and we put a new mattress protector on. So this is like the new mattress protector, and we did this right before Riley left so he could help me with it. So we've done that. Also, we had a little incident this morning with my candle. There is now wax everywhere, so I'm going to clean that. So today, because I need to clean the wax today, I'm going to be doing all of this and dusting it and stuff. But I gotta sort out, pardon me, I've got to sort out that, so. Alright, so we have this. I just started cleaning this so I can put it back up. But this is all complete. This was like full of like a lot of dust, like the same amount of dust that's probably up there. Like it had so much dust, but it's all clean. And now I'm gonna clean all of this stuff, get all the dust off it so it can go back up. Okay, sorry, I didn't film. I was watching YouTube while doing this, but I put stuff back. I need to find something to go in the middle there, but I'm slowly putting stuff back. I've cleaned all the wax off everything. I'm giving this to my mum to sell, and I need to find somewhere to put this. But yeah, things are going good. I'm gonna just finish this off, and then we'll move on to the next project that I'm gonna do in cleaning my room for today. Okay, so my bed's not fully made because we're missing one of the pillowcases for the sheets that I have on, but otherwise it's pretty made. I gotta put my stuffed animals on still, but I didn't really want to do that until I put my pillowcase on. But now I'm gonna do some work under my bed, like really deep cleaning underneath my bed, because I have so much crap under there. So we're gonna go through that now, because that's what I'm gonna end up putting off and then never doing, so I'm gonna do it now. Alrighty, so we've made a ton of progress. I mean, it doesn't really look like it, but we've made tons of progress today. Under my bed is completely rearranged, vacuumed, and like cleaned out. Like there's bags here, like stuff that's just not needed. Yeah, all that's to do is this stuff that's on my bed, which is mainly my stuff for my business, which I need to work my business anyways, so it's okay that stuff is out. I'll quickly show you what it looks like under the bed. All of this, but then there's space. You can see all the way under. The progress that was made, so good. It's the last day of cleaning. I'm not sure how much I'll actually get done. I'm hoping, pardon me, to clean my whole room so I can decorate it for Halloween. This stuff here is still completely clean and stuff. I think the main area to tackle is this, because like that over there is alright. It kind of just needed like a wipe down, but yeah, last day. Well, after I said I wasn't gonna do that, that's what I did. Oops. Okay, so I know I said yesterday was my last day cleaning, but I lied. Today is gonna be the last day. But like look at this progress we've made. It looks so clean. Yes, I have a ton of stuff on my bed that I gotta like figure out what I'm doing with it. But yeah, just gotta do some like finishing stuff, like clean my mirrors, my windows, to vacuum the other side of my bed because I already vacuumed this side of the bed. Take out my like rubbish for the last time, and we'll find every place for this all to go. And I'm just so excited. It's almost done, like a fully cleaned room. I'm so excited. Alright, so my windows are absolutely disgusting and they really need to clean bad. So I'm gonna vacuum them like all the dust off, and then I need to get like wipe stuff. I don't know, there's just a lot to do to these gross windows. Ugh. I finished the windows. They're literally like so much cleaner. Oh, okay, now I need to tackle this. Like, oh, I can't zoom, but like, ew. Y'all, I'm done, all except just I gotta make those scrunchies up to sell them, and just got Halloween stuff because I'm about to film my first Halloween, or my second Halloween video. But yeah, let's give you like a quick little glimpse over everything. Like, yeah. Look how clean it is. Oh yeah. Yes, there's still stuff along here, but that's because they're all my clothes I'm trying to sell. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Please give this a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And yeah, bye besties.